Welcome to Platform Demos. In this episode, we're going to be looking at the Directory Listings Manager. This is one of the most important tools on the platform for any business to really have set up for their organization. It's important because it could be one of the top lead generators for your business, for any local business especially, as well as helps drive SEO value for your company on your website. Let's see how it works. To access directory management, just log into your account and go to the directory management tool. In here, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard. This is going to be where you're going to see a lot of statistics and analytics about what your business is doing online and how people are finding your location. The first thing you want to do when you set this account up is come to the profile and set up all the information about your specific business. You can see phones, websites, email addresses, hours of operations, business info and descriptions, labels. In the rich data section, you can fill out services, languages, brands, payment options, attributes about your business, and social media profiles. You can also add photos and videos to your profiles across all different directories as well by uploading them here. Once you have your profile completely set, then it will publish out to all the directories online that you want to be on. You can see Google, Facebook, you have your Yelp, Foursquare, Bing, all the big directories, and the map navigation systems are in here as well. General publishers, aggregators, and then the big ones like Dexnos, Super Pages, Yellow Pages, and White Pages. This is important because it makes sure that your information is clear and concise on all these different profiles, helps you have robust profiles on each one of these directories, and really helps you gain a lot more leads for your business. Also, it has a neat publish feature. Within the publish feature, you can come and you can create your different posts, you can create news, you can set up offers that you might have for your business, and then you can even set up those offers to have start and end dates. Say you want to have a special that's going for a 3-day weekend that's going up, you can make sure that goes up and comes down automatically. It also has a neat question and answer feature. The question and answer allows you to ask questions about your business and then answer them right through the system here. That also allows you to index keywords for your specific business that are important for you to be able to rank for. Again, one of the most important tools on the platform, just because of the way it helps you manage your business information across all the directories, ensuring that you have quality information online and that people are finding your business and coming to your location. Want to learn more? Click the link in the video description to schedule a product tour today.